Storm Tracker 7 weather is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Good Friday evening to you. Storm Tracker 7 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Booth here. Severe thunderstorm watches in our area. Some warnings just outside of our area. The viewing area out in Muskingum, Coshocton counties, also out through parts of Monroe County. Not quite into Noble County, but we are tracking some showers, some storms that will be likely making their way through here. And there is a slight risk for some stronger storms tonight. And this would mainly be for the most of the area, and then as you get into southern Noble, Tyler, and Monroe counties, there's a little better chance for a few stronger storms according to the Storm Prediction Center. But watching the way this is going, it's looking like it's probably going to be skirting just south of I-70. But the main threat we're going to face tonight, and this will really be over the next probably about 2 hours, maybe give it a little less, 2 hours or so, high chance for strong winds. Could see some very heavy rain if you get caught under one of these, and then a medium chance for hail. You can never rule out a spin up with this, but right now, as we start to lose the daytime heating, we've been losing the instability. We're not getting as much of that spin in the atmosphere, so you can't rule it out, but it looks like winds are the main threat. Here's what we're tracking right now, though. A lot of lightning with this. Quite the light show right now out in southern Muskingum County. Again, out through parts of Perry County and on its way towards Monroe County. And this is really the part of the line we're kind of most concerned with. It's going to kind of slide through, most likely hitting areas that are going to be south of I-70. You can see as we take a look to the north, we're still getting severe thunderstorm warnings there, but this has really showed a little bit of weakening, and we've kind of watched the heaviest rain, the lightning, it's kind of tapered down as this has moved through. But we'll take a look at the bigger picture, and yeah, we've had the worst of the weather out southwest of us, but we've got this little storm, this little cell that's making its way along and south of I-70. That's what we are concerned with as we head through the first part of the overnight. Again, some strong winds to about 60 miles an hour, large hail as well. We did have another cell out behind it, but now it's kind of dissipating, so that's good news. But still, this area right here, that little cluster is what we're kind of watching out for, and this is also showing a little weakening, but we're going to be keeping our eye on it, and we'll be posting things on air and online as necessary. But you can see we've got some storms reported and some rain out near Zanesville 71. It's in the upper 60s in Wheeling and Steubenville. Upper 60s, low 70s across the area. We get into the weekend, though. A couple of showers linger at times. It's going to be breezy tomorrow, high of 76 with wind gusts to 40 miles an hour at times. And then 72, sunshine returns a great afternoon by Sunday. Hour by hour tonight, you can see we keep some rain around through the first part of the overnight. By tomorrow morning, we're starting to dry out. A couple of showers try to linger late morning, early to mid-afternoon time frame. Anything we see tomorrow, not going to be as heavy as what we're seeing tonight, but you can't rule out a few passing showers under variably cloudy skies, basically partly to mostly cloudy skies out there. And again, the big story tomorrow is it's going to be very windy. 76 for a high. On Sunday and Monday, pleasant weather returns. We are in the low 70s. Some spotty late day showers on Tuesday with some early showers lingering on Wednesday. Highs both those days, upper 60s to right around 70. And then some spotty showers possible on Thursday. Then we'll dry out by Friday with some sunshine. Bigger story, though. Look at that, Steve. We are talking about the low to mid 60s on both Thursday and Friday. I feel a little chilly, if you will.